Mary Stella, P5 weighted assessment 1. Okay, let's look at question 1. I'm going to cover all the questions here. Okay, so for question 1, what is the value of the digit 4 in 2467385? Okay, the 4 is in the hundred thousands place, so this will be 400,000. Okay, so answer here is 3. Then question 2, which of the following has the same value as 59 times 80? Okay, so let's look through all the possible answers. Okay, so if you have a times, you're going to do that first, right? So this one is not really 50 plus 9 first. So I cannot say that this is actually 59 times 80. Okay, because if you put it like that, it's actually 9 times 80 first. Then the next one, 59 times 80, if they are all times, right, I can say that this is 59 times, then I can actually choose to do this 80 times 10 first. So basically 59 times 80 means that I take 59, I can times 8 first, then I times 10. All right, so it's actually the same. To get this, right, I can actually do this to get the answer, and I'll take the answer and I'll times 10. Okay, so it's actually 2. 3 is obviously wrong. To get 59 is not 5 times 9. So I cannot take 5 times 9. And then I times the 80. 4 is also wrong because 59 is not 50 times 9. Okay. Okay, question 3. 4 million, both sides has 4 millions. And then we also have 50 on both sides. What's missing is this 13,000. Okay, 13,000 without the 50. So answer is 3. 13,000 is missing here. Okay, question 4. Numbers divided by 7 and then multiplied by 8. Sum of the result and 16 is 72. What is the number? Okay, so we need to work backwards. So you have a number that you divide it by 7 and then you multiply by 8. Okay, to get a result. So the sum of that result and 16 is 72. So if you work backwards, you're supposed to take 72 minus 16 first. This should give us 56. So this is 56. This is 56. Now we're going to work backwards. So 56 divide by 8, then after that times 7. Okay, so 56 divide by 8, which is 7. Then 7 times 7. 49. So answer is 1. Question 5. Shapes in a box follow a pattern. First 20 shapes are given below. Okay, so if it follows a pattern, right, let's figure out what's the pattern. So you have 2 triangles, diamond, square, then your crescent, then you repeat with 2 more triangles. So it should repeat like that. Okay, so what is the 131st shape? So there are, in each group, each pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there are 6 shapes. So you should take 131 divided by 6. Now we're going to do a long division. Eleven divided by 6, 1. So 5. Okay, so 21 remainder 5. There are 21 groups. So that one doesn't matter, right? Because 21 will repeat the same pattern. But remainder of 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the 5th pattern, 5th shape in the pattern. So answer is 3. Question 6, use all the digits 5, 4, 3, 2, and 8 to form the greatest 5-digit odd number. Okay, greatest 5-digit odd number. Greatest, let's start with 8. Okay, then you have 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, then let's write 5, 4. So you cannot write 3, 2 because the last number cannot be a 2. So I will change it to 2 and 3. Okay, so this is your largest 5-digit odd number. Next, 42 minus 15 divided by 5 minus 2, then times 4. What should we do first? You should do the bracket first. So 42 minus 15 divided by, that's 3. Okay, you have minus, divide, and times. Divide and times comes first. So when you have divide and times, do from the left side. So what comes first is 15 divided by 3. So 42 minus 5 times 4. So what I do next is the times. So this is 20. 42 minus 20. Answer 22. Okay, question 8. 15 identical chocolate bars were shared among 27 students. What fraction of a chocolate bar did each student get? For part A. Okay, so to avoid confusion, right, you're going to find one student. Let's label 27 students first. Then I'll find one student after that. 27 students will share 15 chocolate bars. So one student will get, I will have to divide, right? So I divide by 27. So 15 over 27. Simplify this, divide by 3, I will get 5 over 9. So this is what each student will get. Now for B, write your answer in part A as a decimal. Correct to 2 decimal places. If for part B, if I want to correct to 2 decimal places, I will have to do my long division until I get 3 decimal places so that I know how to round it. Okay. So first, 5 divided by 9 is 0. 0 times 0, that is 5. Okay, now you want to introduce a decimal point. Bring down the 0, you get 50. So decimal point. So 50 divided by 9. 5. Yes, okay, 5. So that's 45. And then you get 5 again. You want to put another 0. You keep getting 50. Okay, so let's do it one more. Put one more number. 50 divided by 9, so 5. All right, so you get 0.555, right? So round it to 2 decimal places is 0.56. So if you don't continue, right, your answer will become 0.55, not knowing that actually the next number will cause the second decimal place to round up to a 6. Okay, so always, if they ask for 2 decimal places, always give one more. Okay, question 9. What is 11 ninths of 45? So 11 ninths, 11 over 9. Of means times. So 11 over 9 times 45. Okay, you know, if you take 11 over 9 times a whole number, right? The whole number, you can actually change it to a fraction by putting it over 1. So the 9 and 45, you can actually simplify. Okay, it's always 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom. So 45 and 9 both can divide by 9. So this 1, this is 5. So you end up with 55. Alternatively, if you do this, right, you can also take 11 times 45. Then you get 4. So if you multiply the numerator. So this is 495 over 9. Then you simplify it. So 495 divided by 9. 545, 4, 5, 55. Okay, then you also get 55 here. Sorry, this is 55. Yeah, exactly 55. So this, either this way or this way is fine. Okay, question 10. Okay, so since you have 6 over something minus 2/3 to get 4 over 21, it means that 4 over 21, if I add 2/3, I should get the fraction in front. Okay, so 4 over 21 plus 2/3, I need to change to over 21, right? So I times 7, times 7. This will give us 18 over 21. Now, 18 over 21 can be simplified. Take note, I want 6 on top. So let's change this to 6 by dividing it by 3. So the missing number below in the denominator is a 7. Okay, question 11. Magesh folded paper tigers from Thursday to Monday. Every day, she folded 8 more paper tigers than the day before. She folded a total of 160 paper tigers by the end of Monday. How many paper tigers did she fold on Thursday? Okay, take note of this. This one, answer key actually shows you the wrong answer. Okay, how you do this is like that. So first, she started from Thursday to Monday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay. So on Thursday, we don't know. So this is the amount that she folded. Then every day she folded 8 more, right? So on Friday, you have to add 8. On Saturday, another 8 more. So Sunday, another 8 more. It's always 8 more than the previous day. Lastly, Monday. Total of 160. Okay, so first, how many 8s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 8 times 10 equals to 80. How many units do we have? We have 5 units here. So 5U is 160 minus 80. Then we find 1 unit. Then you take 80 divided by 5. So this will give us 16. So how many on Thursday? That's 1 unit. So answer is 16. Okay. So take note, answer key is wrong. Answer key says for question 11, answer 8. Okay, it shouldn't be 8, it should be 16. Okay, now for question 12, for every 6 pencils that Tammy paid for, she'll get another pencil free. Okay, so pay 6 pencils, free 1 pencil. This is one group. Okay, then she actually paid, how many pencils did she pay for? If she had a total of 210. So 210 is the total number of pencils that she paid for, and including the free ones. So I should be finding one group, which is 6 plus 1. So the number of groups will be the total divided by each group, which is 7. So this will give us 30 groups. Okay, then read the question. What do you want to look for? So you're looking for how many pencils she paid for, right? So since there are 30 groups, every group she paid for only 6, not 7, 6. So 30 groups times 6. So answer 180. Okay, for question 13, Allison and Benjamin had an equal number of buttons at first. Allison bought another 148 and Benjamin used 62 buttons. Allison then had 4 times as many buttons as Benjamin. How many buttons did Allison have in the end? Okay, so first they had equal number, right? So you're supposed to draw model equal. And Allison bought another 148. Okay, so I need to add 148. Benjamin used 62. Okay, let's remove 62. Allison then had 4 times. So whatever she has in the end is 4 units. Whatever Benjamin has in the end is 1 unit. So how many did Allison have in the end? Okay, so how many units can we find? We can actually find this part here, right? Which is 3 units. The difference in units, 3 units. Okay, so to find 3 units, take 62 plus 148. Okay, so that's 210. 210 is 3 units. So to find 1 unit, I'll divide by 3. So Allison has 4 units in the end. I just need to find 4 units. So that's my answer for Allison in the end. Okay, question 14. Rachel put 1 coin into her piggy bank every day. This coin could either be a 50 cents or a $1 coin. Rachel's grandfather put a $50 note into the piggy bank. So she saved a total of $104 in her piggy bank in 88 days. How many 50-cent coins did Rachel put in a piggy bank by the end of the 88 days? Okay, so first, she will put 1 coin every day, right? So it's either a 50-cent coin or a $1 coin. Now, whereas the grandfather puts in a $50 note. Okay, so because we want to find like how many coins did she put in, right? Like how many 50-cent coins she put in. So let's remove the notes first, okay? The $50 note. So if the total is $104, I will want to remove the $50 notes first to just look at the coins, like the amount that belongs to just the coins. So I have $54 which belongs to the coins, which is the total for all the coins, okay? So now I know $54 is inside. I know that there are 88 coins because every day she puts in 1 coin. And in 88 days means that there's 88 coins. So 88 coins, $54, but I don't know how much is 50-cent coins, right? So I'm supposed to use supposition. So we're supposed to use supposition for this question. So we suppose all are Now, if they're asking for 50-cent coins, let's start with the opposite. So suppose all are $1 coins. Okay, so total amount, we have 88 coins, so 88 times $1. $88 if all of them are $1 coin. But we know that all the coins should add up to only $54. So what we have is too much. Let's find out what is the extra that we need to remove. Okay, so I take 88 minus away the 54 to find the extra I'm supposed to remove. So that's $34. Okay, so what happens if we have extra $34? Means that not all of them are $1 coins, right? Some must be 50-cent coins. So I'm going to exchange, okay? So if I have a $1 coin, I exchange it for a 50-cent coin. Okay, 50-cent coin. What happens in one exchange is that I actually get extra, right? I get extra 50 cents, which is actually the difference between $1 and 50 cents. So how many times must I do this exchange in order to get rid of, sorry, not extra, but I lose 50 cents. So how many times must I do this exchange in order to lose this extra $34? So every time it's 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. How many 50 cents are there in $34? So that is the number of exchanges that I need. Take 34 divide by 50 cents. So this will actually give us 68. Because every $1 there's two 50-cent coins, right? So if you have 34, so it's like 2 times of 34 is 68. 68 50-cent coins. Because I'm doing this exchange 68 times, so then that I would have 68 50-cent coins. Okay, now last question, question 15. Okay, Mr. Cole bought some wallets and belts. A belt cost $38 more than a wallet. He had just enough money to buy 5 wallets and 2 belts. He bought 4 wallets and 1 belt and had $132 left. How much did 1 wallet cost? Okay, so first, he had enough money to buy this, right? Like just nice. But instead of buying that, he actually bought 4 wallets and 1 belt and had $132 left. So they must cost the same, right? Like, I mean, they should have the same value, right? The one in blue and the one in yellow, since that's the total amount of money. Okay, so the total amount of money can actually buy him 5 wallets and 2 belts, exactly, right? But instead of that, he actually bought, with his total amount of money, he actually bought 4 wallets and 1 belt. And he still had $132 left. Okay, so take note, they must have the same value. Okay, so the first one, how much more is it than the wallets and belts? How many more? How many wallets? How many more belts? So if you compare, the first line has 1 more wallet and 1 more belt. So he could have used this 132, this remaining amount of money, right, to buy another wallet and another belt to get 5 wallets and 2 belts, right? But instead, he only got 4 wallets and 1 belt. So this amount of money can actually buy you this? Okay, so one wallet and one belt is actually $132. Now, the question also said that a belt costs $38 more than a wallet. Okay, so wallet, belt costs more. $38 more than the wallet. One wallet, one belt cost $132. So how much does one wallet cost? So 132, 2 units, okay? 2 units is 132 minus 38. This will give us 94. Then from there, 1 unit, which is your one wallet, so 94 divided by 2. So this will give us 47, which is one wallet. Okay, I want to find one wallet. Then for B, how about the belt? Now, if we look at the model, right, belt is 38 more. So 47 plus 38. That should give us 85. So answer for part A is $47. For part B is $85. Okay, with that, that's the end of this Marie Stella paper. 2022 WA1 Marie Stella paper.